Hi everyone, I'm Kirti. I'm a phonics trainer. My mission and passion is to build strong, confident readers and spellers. So today in this video, I'm going to share about what are alternate sounds and what is the problem that kids are facing while learning alternate sounds and what is the solution I provide so that they learn the alternate sounds with much ease.
So, I'm going to talk about alternate sounds. So before I talk about alternate sounds, I want to tell you what there are two categories in phonics. One is basic and another is advanced. So in the basic phonics, your child will be learning about the short vowel sounds and he can read the 3 letter and 4 letter words like cat, slap, flap. Okay, and some sight words like the, am. Okay, so this comes under basic phonics. When it comes on when we go to the advanced phonics, here they should be aware that all the vowels have two sounds. One is long vowel sound and the other is short vowel sound. That all the vowels have two sounds, then they can read so many words. Okay, so vowel sounds. So one is short and other is long. So now let us see what is the problem that kids are facing. So the children are getting confused while reading and writing spellings with the long vowel sounds. For example, all the all the long vowel sounds can make that sound A with few different combinations. For example, long A can be made by AI, AY, EY, A dash E, EIGH. Like that, there are multiple combinations to make one long vowel sound. So when they are reading and when they are writing spelling, they don't know what combination to use. So that is the problem they are facing. Yes. So for that, the solution is very simple. So when we have to teach long vowel sounds, we have to teach all the sounds at the same time. For example, yes. So you have to teach all the long vowel sounds effectively. It's best to introduce them together at the same time. For example, if you want to teach the vowel sound of O, okay, so then you can teach them like this. O makes O sound, OA makes O sound, OW makes O sound. So you give them a small text like this and ask them to underline the words, all the words which are making O sound only. Okay, in such a way that they'll get an understanding that the sound can be made by different combinations. And when they sort them into the different columns, they'll get a fair idea like how the words look and how the patterns look. Okay, so this is how we will teach long vowel sounds. And the other interesting part is whenever you're teaching long vowel sounds, for example, OA makes O and OW makes O sound. Next, O makes O sound. Yes, so try to teach the sounds with the help of stories and doodles. Okay, so then they will get an idea and they'll show interest. For example, in my case, when kids come to my classes, I'll say OW makes O sound because OW is looking at the rainbow and it is, oh, it is so excited to see a rainbow and it is making O sound. So in such a way, I'll create a story and I'll ask them to draw a doodle. Okay. So then I'll ask them to write different sentences. Instead of giving them flashcards or words, I'll ask them to write sentences on their own. So they'll get a fair idea, like how the words will be, how the sentence will be framed, and they'll get an understanding, the meaning and everything they'll get to know. And also, we should give a spelling pattern. Spelling pattern they have to understand. For that, there we should give some kind of a checklist where O makes O sound when it is at the OA makes the O sound when generally it is in the middle of a word. Okay, and OW makes O sound when it is at the end of a word. So if we give these kind of checklist initially when they are getting started, okay, so when they have good listening skills also, initially if we give this kind of checklist and we ask them to listen carefully while giving dictation test, so they'll get an understanding and they'll write the correct spellings. So long vowel sounds can be learned easily with proper strategies and enough practice.
So hope this video helps, and click in the comment box like which method did you like the most, sorting them into the columns or doodles or the checklist, which one did you resonate. And if you have any other doubts or you need some more clarity with respect to this, I have given my phone number in the description box. Please feel free to WhatsApp. Bye.